Now what we're wanting to do is cut the piece that goes into the hollowed out inlay. So we're using Millmage. They had a couple of options. One was to cut on the line. The second way was to cut on the outside of the line. Coming up in the video, you'll see that neither option really worked for me. Stay tuned, I'll show you what I did to work around it. One of these things is not like the other. If the CNC can't make a good inlay, let's see if the laser can get any closer. I just exported the SVG from the CNC file into the laser software Lightburn. I'm still not happy. Let's go back to the laser. This time I'm going to let the laser actually create the pocket and the inlay and leave the CNC out of it. I thought I would let the CNC redeem itself and actually cut off the overhang. It did really well at this. Whoa, hello. You don't want it to be generic and square, you know. The CNC worked great for making the pocket. So this bulldog cutout was fantastic. Did really well, especially after I upgraded to a Harbor Freight trim router instead of an 80-watt spindle. You can see that video up here if you want to see where I upgraded this, or go over here and I'll show you where I actually reviewed this CNC with the 80-watt spindle. So I tried multiple ways using Millmage. They have a couple of options on the line, like on the line, outside of the line, inside the line. I could never get the correct size, even though it had just created the pocket. I also tried Easel. It's a free trial online. It's a web-based version of CNC software, but I couldn't get the software to work for some reason. So I ended up using my Thunder laser to actually burn out the pocket and then create the inlay, and it fit perfectly. The odd thing is I did a different inlay on a different type of wood and it didn't fit as well. So different wood species definitely impact the curve for the cut size. So you'll have to account for that if you use the laser for that. So appreciate you guys watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you on the next one.